Aiboan. I'm Kirby Daniel. I have been working for Sri Lankan Airlines for the last 7 years. Today we are flying to Bangkok on New World 406. So I have 7 passengers today in business class. So I would like to say I am privileged to work for Sri Lankan Airlines because it has been a dream from childhood, and I am proud to work for our national career as an ambassador. So whoever that is interested to become a cabin crew member, I would like to say, please take this opportunity and try to work on it, because there's no other job which is greater than this, because you get to explore the world, you get to know a lot of people, because there are a lot of open doors which you get the chance of traveling, to exploring things, and to so this is a job with a lot of opportunities. Basically, you get to travel the world, and you get the opportunity of meeting a lot of people from different countries. So I invite all of young crowd to join Sri Lankan and to become a cabin crew member, because this is one of the greatest jobs in Sri Lanka. Thank you.